Now.
Ready? Get your cookie. Yay! Girly! Ready? Good girl! Alright! Ready? Get the cookie and oops! 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 Taste the cookie. Sit. Good girl! Yes! Good pumpkin. Sit. Sit. The dog is sitting crooked. The next thing you do is you do him next to a wall. Okay, you go over there, Irene. That's far enough. Don't push it far away. I want the dog in the picture. That's far enough. Ready? Stay close to the good girl. Close to the wall. Close. Bingo! Very nice, get close. Okay, good girl. Ready? Good, you got it behind me. Good girl. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Close. Yes.
Too much moving.
Good girl. Okay. No cookie in the hand this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Close. Oops. Oops. Your butt's straight crooked. Get back there. Sit. Very nice. Good girl. Then you go back to a cookie in the hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oops. Nice job. Yay, boy sizzle. Good girl. Okay, stop it.